What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. So, for some reason, this topic is trending, saying that how to delete your LinkedIn profile. So, I thought of making a quick video about this, and in order to, maybe it could help you guys. So, in order to delete your LinkedIn profile or completely remove it from LinkedIn, this is just a way on mobile. You just click on this particular option over here. Now, this is my LinkedIn profile, and you go and click on settings here. Once you click on settings, you need to go and click on account preferences. So this is basically your profile information, and you can just scroll all the way down. Over here, you can see close account. Now, if you want to permanently close your account, this is the account, like this close account is the option that you want to click. And if you want to temporarily deactivate the account, hibernate account is the option that you want to click. So basically, if you want to, like, for some time, you just want to take a break from LinkedIn, you want to, it works similarly how Facebook deactivation of the account works. So for some time, it's going to allow you to go ahead and deactivate the account, and once you want to reactivate that, you can just put in your email ID, which is associated with LinkedIn, and it's going to allow you to reactivate the account again. But in case if you want to just permanently go ahead and remove LinkedIn from your life, like just vanish from LinkedIn all the way, you need to click on this close account option over here. And once you click that, it's going to tell you which are the connections that you would be losing permanently. So over here, there is one connection that I have, which I'll be losing permanently in case if I choose to close my account. And it just gives you the things that, just a quick reminder, closing your account means you'll lose touch with three connections like Vishal. You'll also lose any recommendations and endorsements you have given or received. So closing a LinkedIn account is not a good idea, but for some reason this topic was trending, and I just thought of making a quick video so it would be helpful. Well, once I click on this continue button, my account is gonna be closed. It's gonna be like vanished from LinkedIn. Of course, it would take some time, but then ultimately it's going to get erased. So that was a quick video. If you like this kind of video and if you found it informative, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the like button on the video because that helps the channel and keeps me motivated. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.